If your nose looks like a horn, you might be a rhino. Let's find out more about these incredible creatures. Rhinos are known for their poor eyesight. They can only see about 30 feet ahead. But don't worry, they have amazing hearing and a great sense of smell. They use these to find food and stay safe. Rhinos are also pretty shy. They like to stay alone or with their family. But when they feel scared, they might charge to protect themselves. It's not because they're mean, they just want to be safe. Isn't it cool how different animals are? Rhinos might not see well, but they sure know how to live. Thanks for watching. Stay curious and keep loving those animals.